or son of Apollo. Right. Bye.
Hello guys, Ken here, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my Camp Hot Blood shirt uniform, if you know what I mean, the orange one. Yes, so there's plenty of uniforms online, but I rather make one myself than buying one because of the design. I want this one, just like in the, if you see the pictures from the demigod files of Percy Jackson, it looks like this rather than the big one. Okay, so what we need is a plain orange shirt like this. I have this one. Then next is I use this one. Yes, it's a fabric paint black one. Yeah, and a pattern. This one. Alright. So let's start. We need to place this one in here. Just make sure it's in the middle. Alright. Okay, so once we place it in the center, in the chest part, make sure it's in the center. And there we go. I forgot to tell you about the tape. You need to tape it so it won't move. Once we place everything, tracing time. Just be careful, okay? If I need to shake it or what. So we need to do this. Let's start now. Okay, so I finished and I'm happy with the finished product. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry first outside, and after that I'm gonna wear it. So thanks for watching, and that's it. I hope you learned. Yeah. See you then, guys.
Make out for the thrill of it.